Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last month and how the price of silver can move in the next month. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen that after making a range, it is in the downtrend. See, this is the particular range, and this range with a low of around 21.312, which I have already explained. Once this range break, we can see a further downfall. Okay, so after that, what we have seen, it went to a level of $18.197. Okay, this is the low which it has made, and I have already told you that this is from 2020. We have not seen this range has broke downside. So once this range break downside, we have seen this particular level has come, and now after that it tries to move upside, and after that what we have seen, a range has formed, and this range also breaks downside, then we have seen it has come downside. So now if this particular level didn't sustain, then we can see it can go further down. Okay, or if this level goes upside, then we can see a cup pattern will form, which in turn says that there is a probability of moving upside if the price goes above a level of $19.5. Okay, so then we can see it can go further upside. Now before we move forward, if you have any doubt regarding silver, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in silver, and if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, now look at the chart. See, suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, I am telling you if the price didn't sustain, because there is a higher probability we can see it can go further down, because we can see a opposite U pattern is forming, which says there is a probability it will hit the support which is already being weakened support. So probability is high, we can see it can move further down. Or our overall range also, if you look at this, we can see a trend towards down is forming. So suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, we can see it can come down to a level of around, currently trading at around 18.80. if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can come down again to a level of $18.753. Okay, so once this range breaks downside, then we can see it can fall further down and can touch a level of around $18.460. Okay, so once the range falls below this particular level, then there is a higher probability we can see it can touch a level of $18.126, and if that level goes downside, then we can see it can go further down towards a level of $17.64. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain that particular level also, then we can see it can go further down towards a level of 16.930, and if that level goes downside, then there is a higher probability we can see it can go further down towards a level of around $16.296. Okay, if you keep, again I repeat, if the price falls below this particular level, then we can see it can go further down and can touch a level of around $18.126, and if that level goes further down, then there is a higher probability we can see it can go and touch a level of around $18.460. once the price fall below that, then only we can see it can touch a level of $17.640, and from there we can see it can go further down towards a level of around $17.06. Okay, and if that level goes downside, then we can see a level of 16.930, and from there we can see a level of $16.270. so if the price, you have to understand that there is a higher probability if it goes further down, because this is the range where we have seen the price of silver has moved for quite some time. So once this range breaks downside, we can see it will come in this particular zone. Okay, so if this level didn't sustain, then there we can see it can go further down. Okay, so now if you look at this particular chart, suppose if this particular level sustain, and we can, if it form a swing at this particular level, we can see it can go further upside. Okay, so, and you have to understand one thing, that the price cannot move sharp rise as well as sharp fall till the time there is not a big news like pandemic or some war situation. Suppose if this particular level sustain, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $19.704. Okay, or if that level goes upside, then we can see it can go and touch a level of around $20.5. So if it goes above $20.5, then there is a probability it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $21.186. Okay, or if that level goes further high, then we can see it can go touch a level of 21.664. So once the price goes above a level of 21.664, then there is a higher probability, because then there will be a U pattern. Then what we can see, there will be a cup pattern form, which says that there is a probability if it goes above, it form upside, then we can see it can go further higher. So suppose if the price goes above a level of $22, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 23 also, because there is a high probability a cup pattern will form, which says that if the price sustain above a level of 21.3, as per this we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of around 23.5 also if the price goes above a level of $22.5. Okay, and there is a higher probability of moving further upside. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have given the mail ID in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.